Hi, this is Luba Topchi from AlphaSurf company, and I'm going to show you how to use the Power BI connector for Jira. If your site admin installed the connector at your Atlassian site and granted you with the permission to work with the connector, you can find the application under the apps. From the connectors page, click Create a Data Source button to configure the connector. Provide your connector with a name and select tables or fields you need for your reports. You can select as many tables and fields as you need. To narrow down your import results, you can apply the CheckUL filter or basic filter. Click the Save button to save the connector. As a result, you'll get the link to connect. Copy the link and use OData feed to connect. You can use our easy-to-follow guide to connect to the Microsoft Power BI using your Jira email and Jira API token. In the Navigator preview in the Power BI desktop, select fields or tables to import to the Power BI desktop and click Load. The import time depends on the amount of data. And while it's loading, I'm going to show you some additional resources we have under the Power BI connector. This is a documentation and the data relationships. You can also create a support request directly from the connector if you have any questions. As for the connector, you have some actions available. You can edit connector and add any additional fields or tables if you did. You can delete the connector or share with somebody from your company. Clone or change the owner, which is a very helpful thing if the person who created the connector leaves the company. So here we are. The issues table is already in the Power BI desktop, and I can start to create my dashboards and reports. Let's create the simplest visualization in Power BI desktop based on the issues table. I'd like to know how many issues are in projects in some particular statuses. I select pie chart and project key and issue key and status name. And I'm interested only in some particular project. I'm going to filter by the project and by status as well. I'm interested in dev, in progress, and in QA. And right now I can see how many issues are in these statuses. I can also switch between visualization and find that one that works for me. And if you'd like to have easy but more complex solution, our plugin provides some pre-built dashboards. All you have to do is just to download such a template and use your data source link to get all this visualization. These are just few examples of provided templates and what can be done with the help of the Power BI connector for Jira.